Oh, my good friend Wieland Welter sighted, okay?
Are you ready for the 3 minutes countdown?
Yeah, tell me when.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, start.
Wir haben eine Ratte in
Now
unseren
3
Reihen.
minutes.
Ich will niemanden beschuldigen, aber Stegi verhält sich sehr ruhig, ganze Zeit.
Ja, das stimmt. Das stimmt. Chat, falls ihr... Ja, das müssen wir danach machen. Das müssen wir auch noch removen. Okay, Chat, der Plan ist folgender. Wir greifen jetzt von hier, machen wir so eine Aufladung und greifen von hier bis dahin. There are 2 Browners on the way. There's one gray browner between
the American flag. We do not care about the American flag.
Okay, nice, nice.
I don't give a shit about it.
Okay, 2 minutes 30. Then we start. Stegi ist viel zu interessiert am Countdown. Ja, ich dachte auch ehrlich, dass er jetzt sagt, 3, 2, 1, jetzt bitte. Hätte ich auch krank geahnt. Ey, ich habe vollkommen nicht mitbekommen. Wir haben 28.000 Subs irgendwann bekommen. Danke, Chat. Ich weiß nicht, wann es passiert ist, aber danke. Und wir hatten irgendwann 100.000 Zuschauer. WTF, Bro.
One minute.
Bruder, einfach 100.000 Zuschauer, weil ich auf Pixel
gucke. We're doing 1 minute and 40 seconds. We're doing a giant fireball that's gonna go through the bronies and destroy them once and for all.
Oh, with that?
We come farm, fam.
Yeah, I don't think you remember last time what happened when we did a fireball. Remember last time or not?
Yeah. Well, didn't we do a giant penis and then it?
Well, it was a fireball, and then it turned into some a dick, and then some cum volcano.
That was so good.
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute 16. Hold your pixels, guys.
Yeah, hold them, chap.
Ey, Bro.
But why do you need to hold
Marine Star, danke für die
This will take
50.
10 seconds. It's so small, no?
Danke für die 50.
Well, we gotta go all the way to the bronies.
All the way to the bronies.
Fireball.
From the fireball.
Oh, from left?
From the right. From the dragon. Over to the gray broner and then to the blue broner. Straight line. 40 seconds.
We could also destroy your picture.
Wait. Is Vietnam that botted that the fire's going down?
Oh, we can...
Yeah, their bots are so superior. Oh my god.
Look at that.
Those bots are insane.
Oh my god.
The fire is behind the picture. Perfect.
Yeah, let's go down and to the left.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
10 seconds,
Now?
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Chat, hold.
9.
Chat, we're breathing fire into the bronies over there.
Okay, guys.
7,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jetzt bitte. Go. Fire attack on the brawler.
There we go.
More fire.
More fire. Go.
Red and yellow. Go. Crazy amounts.
Boah, das sieht so sick aus, Chat. Als würde er so Feuer speien.
Try to make it a straight line.
Yeah, make it thicker.
It's pretty good, man. Not too bad. It's working somehow.
I like how a lot of people just went for the bronies immediately.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, it's good. I didn't know what the target is.
Bro, ich bin gespannt, ob es wirklich in 4 Minuten endet.
Invincible there. It's insane.
Yeah, it's crazy. They're so strong, man. But the artwork is very cool as well, man. I really like it.
Yes.
And it's all bots too.
Oh, you think?
I mean, look at the names. Just look at the names on the hand. The things that are redoing the white. It's all bots.
We're doing good.
Oh yeah, I created like 2 days ago.
Let's go around Vietnam. Go around Vietnam. There's literally no point.
Yeah, go around under.
Under to the right, red, and then all the way to the bronies.
Look.
Chat, wir brauchen mehr hier.
Yeah.
Go. Bro, es wäre so sick, wenn es jetzt vorbei wäre. No, das wäre perfektes Timing. Es wäre perfektes Timing.
Wait, like me? Oh yeah, you're right. Mike has a bot. Shit, I just self-reported.
Ich glaube nicht. Ich glaube, ich habe mein Bauchgefühl sagt, das ist nicht vorbei, Chat.
Dude, 30 minutes. I think it'll be the last wave, right?
If there's really like 3 minutes left, this could be it. Come on, we could do this.
Do we have one more attack in 2 minutes?
Kickstreamer. Macht den jetzt weg.
Ja, Bruder, wir sollten den wirklich... Wenn ihr noch einen Pixel übrig habt, Chat, dann macht mal hier ein bisschen Scheiße rein.
Then it looks stronger.
Yeah, like maybe like an outline. Yeah.
Geil wäre auch, wenn er so einen fehlenden Zahn hätte oder
black
so.
Outline?
Bro.
Inside. I think outline
everywhere. I think black particles in the fire.
Das wäre auch hart.
Yeah, this is going well.
Okay, Chat, vielleicht die letzten 90 Sekunden.
Chat, this might be our last result, we don't know yet.
Yeah, maybe the last 90 seconds of our place.
Chat, I'm only kidding, chat, but this is maybe your last pixel.
Wir müssen kurz vor 2 die nochmal auslöschen, damit die am Ende nicht drauf sind.
2 more minutes.
No one's like Tumblr. Who cares about Tumblr these days, man? Seriously.
No, it's a streamer.
Fuck is a Tumblr?
Oh, ich glaube es ist nicht vorbei, Chat. Ich glaube es ist nicht vorbei.
What the fuck is a kilometer?
Oh man. It's like the half of a mile. Bruder, NA Education, Bruder.
Bro, they're invincible.
NA
Bro, the Vietnam
Education.
streamer on YouTube has 70,000 viewers.
Holy shit.
Yo.
Look at that. One disappeared, I'll click on it.
Okay, we got one more attack in 30 seconds.
What if we can get the Vietnam guy to help us? Oh, I wish we knew him.
Not a bot. Not a bot.
Hey, Chat, ich glaube, ich muss gleich offline.
Not a bot. I think Chat is trolling.
One more minute.
Grüne Rotz.
No, 6 seconds, 6 seconds, 6 seconds.
Representing colors.
And where do we want to focus? The pony?
On the flags, it's still pretty weak.
Yeah.
We can barely see the tire.
Let's make it thicker.
It's starting to look good in the front though. It actually looks sick.
Fill it up, chat. Fill it up, chat.
It's 7 o'clock. Is it over?
I guess not.
Maybe one more minute.
There was one admin in the Reddit saying it's going for 30 hours or something, and it was like the post was like 6 hours ago or something.
Oh.
But I'm not sure if he's trolling. Maybe I don't know.
7 p.m. tomorrow then.
Maybe. I don't know.
Oh, we could do this.
Oh, we got the attack ready. Make the fire thicker, guys.
Yeah, I don't see any white happening. I don't think it's the end.
We'll have to wait.
Wäre aber geil gewesen, Chat.
We can put pixels down.